Girl, I like your body, naturally something. You go it or nothing, tension anybody. Anywhere you day, cause go bay. Make a man grace, day king gate. Girl, I like your body, naturally something. You go it or.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this week. Yes guys, it's a week, so I've done this week for a long time, but yeah, the same story every time. I'm very busy. Sorry, but I can't, I'm doing many things, and oh my god, I'm out of breath. Whew. Okay, respire. Look how fat I am. Anyways, so I'm so busy, you know, having kids everywhere, up and down, up and down, up and down. That ain't easy, okay? That ain't easy. So as I was saying, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this week. It has been a long time I've done this week, as I said before, but it's now I'm uploading. It's now I had the time to do the final review, which is this one with some makeup and ish. Okay, so yeah, basically that's it. Nothing special about it. So you're going to see how I did it, okay? And I'm going to leave the link on how I did this twist, because I did it by myself. Okay, I did it by myself. Okay, so my cuties, I don't want to talk. I don't want to make this thing too long for you guys, because I might sound boring. So if you want to know how I installed this week and I put it in my head, just keep watching. babes, like I don't know how in less than 2 months of doing a big chop. I can comb my hair. Like, guys, babes, I can comb my hair. So my hair is growing so fast, which I love, because I don't even have time, like, for real. I don't even have time, like, no second time to do anything with my hair. I've been so busy, like, oh my god, so, like, seriously, I've been so damn busy with many projects, which I'm not going to tell you guys till next year. You're going to see everything. So I'm so happy, so excited about everything. But anyways, let me just put this wig on, okay? Just watch. Babes. Oh, as YouTube decided to be putting copyright for all my videos, let me be singing a cappella, because, like, I can't do nothing about that. But I love music, so what can we do, my dears, my babes? Okay, so you don't really understand that you're beautiful just the way you are. Papa, papa, why you don't really understand? So now you. Papa, papa, do I like your body? Naturally something. Anywhere you day, go Chris. You're man Chris. Get engaged. Oh my god, okay. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share, and we'll see you in my next video. You guys want to see my Christmas tree? I'm doing like a baby, like, oh my god, wait. You guys want to see my Christmas tree? Let me show you guys my Christmas tree. Just. Ah, you guys saw my Christmas tree. Why are you going out of focus? Seriously? Anyways, my children are in school. I think you guys have noticed by now, because there is silence, no kids for now. Anyways, okay, let me be serious. So you guys, not everybody have the privilege to see my Christmas tree. So you guys have seen my Christmas tree, okay? So basically that's it. That's the extra part of the video. I think I'm going to put it in the extra because I don't want to talk too much in the beginning, you know. This, my cameras keep going out of focus. I don't know, this camera is running mad like some people here in Spain. I don't know. But anyways. Oh, what I wanted to say, I just now wanted to say something. Walai, I wanted to say something just now. Oh yes, wait a minute, just wait. Like, I don't care, it doesn't have anything to do with this video, but I can't like just wait, babes, just wait, babes, like, babes. So this thing right here, I can't review it till the date they told me to review it, so you guys have to wait a little bit till next month, which is December. I'm sorry, but this is the new package of COLORCL. I love it, even though I don't like the white-ish over here, but I love the inside. If the inside can be outside and the outside in the inside, much better. But that's my suggestion. Now my opinion be that. Okay, so the package is really cute. Okay, they're really like, guys, babes. Oh my god, I'm so crazy right now. But anyways, I'm not wearing no contact lenses, as you guys can see, because ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, I just messed up everything. Okay. Oh my god, right now I have to film another video. Like, right now, I have to film another video. So bye. I'm sorry.